What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. In this video today, we're gonna talk about how you can design a beautiful YouTube banner with Canva. So let's look at an example. Ali Abdal, for example, you can see he has a beautiful YouTube banner right here. And a YouTube banner is super important for your YouTube channel because it makes your YouTube channel look very professional. This is how you can, just like Ali, get millions of subscribers and millions of views every month and make a ton of money. As you can see, having a channel that looks professional with a YouTube banner can earn you a ton of money. Ali Abdal, for example, make 285,000 euros or dollars per month, every single month, just having a channel with plenty of videos that look super professional. So in this video today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can design a beautiful banner like this. My name is Alex and I've been on YouTube for many years, and I'm here to help you with some amazing YouTube tips today. I run multiple different YouTube channels and I will help you get there as well if you desire to. This is my current YouTube channel that you're watching right now with a beautiful banner right here at the top that I designed myself, and I will help you get there also with Canva today. It's simple to edit a YouTube banner. You simply go to the Creator Studio by clicking on the right left on YouTube, view your channel, and you will land here on your YouTube channel page, and then you hover your mouse over the YouTube banner and click the edit button. And by clicking the edit button at the top, you will get into the channel customization. And here at the top, under your channel dashboard, customization, here as you can see on the left, you can simply click the change button, select your banner that we are going to design today with Canva. I will provide you with everything that you need, a step-by-step guide and a YouTube Canva safe banner, safe area template as well that you're going to need to design your YouTube banner a little bit later. You simply click open on your YouTube banner, and here you can see how you can make a beautiful banner and import it directly to your YouTube channel after it is designed. Here you can see on the YouTube banner that we have designed that there are three different areas. A viewable area for all devices, mobile, tablet, PC, TV screen, and then you have a viewable area on desktop and a viewable area on TV right here. So it's very important when you design your YouTube banner that you consider these three different areas. And for this, we're gonna use a safe area guide that I'm gonna provide you. The link is in the description. Simply by putting the most important element right here in the middle part of the YouTube banner to be viewable on all devices, then you will be on your path to success. This is very important so that anybody, regardless of the device that they use, sees the most important part of your YouTube banner with anything that you want them to see right here when they land on your YouTube channel. So how do you do this? You simply go to Google, type in how to design a YouTube banner with Canva, and then you will find the Canva website by clicking right here at the top. And by landing on the Canva website, you have a step-by-step guide on how you can create a stunning banner with Canva. That's simple, it's very easy, fast, and quick to read. Nothing complicated. The most important thing is to find the button to land into canva.com. And by clicking on canva.com, you will go directly to the Canva website. But keep in mind, I have for you the step-by-step guide that you can download and follow along with this video, basically. The link is in the description, and you can read this guide that I provide you, and with the perfect safe area dimension, the tablet view, the desktop view, all of the information and step-by-step guide that you would need to design the YouTube banner. This is the safe area guide that we are going to use. Link is also in the description if you want to download it, and I encourage you to download it as well. So by clicking on this button right here to land onto the Canva website, you will get right there under the Canva template on canva.com. And this is very helpful for you to use. There are plenty of free Canva templates that you can use on canva.com that are available with available to anybody. You simply choose the Canva template for a YouTube banner that you will want to use, something that is beautiful, something that is simple, something that is easy to read, easy to understand what our channel is about, something that you like. Personally, I like minimalistic design, but keep in mind that when you choose a YouTube banner, you should consider the safe area, right? As you can remember, there is a safe area for mobile. So keep in mind that you want to choose a Canva template where all of the important information is in the middle part. A Canva template where all the important information are in this safe area right here to be viewable on all devices. So I like this one. As you can see, this one would be great because all of this important area is in the middle, in the safe area with all of the information that people can see when they land on your YouTube channel. If you would take something like this, for example, you can see that wouldn't work because the important information is not in the middle, it is not in the safe area. Same with something like this. Same with something like this, right? But if you take this example, simply by clicking on it and then clicking on customizing this template, then you will have a almost ready, beautiful YouTube banner that you can customize on Canva. You would simply need to adapt the template that you choose under Canva. I like the subscribe button to tell people to subscribe to your channel. Here, you would simply enter your name. In my case, my name is Alex. Here you would type under what your channel is about. For example, in my case, YouTube tutorials, right? And then you would need also a profile picture. So here, right here on the left, you can simply upload your profile picture. This is my profile picture that I want to use, for example. I simply import it under Canva, put it in the cycle by dragging it. And here we have a YouTube banner almost ready. Right? Beautiful YouTube banner that we can use. You can also use the safe area guide to check if your YouTube banner is viewable on all devices or not. You would simply click upload file and select the YouTube area, safe area template that I provide you in the link in the description below this video that you can download. Simply click on it and import it and drag to the safe area, drag it to the dimension of the picture in the Canva software to see if all the important information is in the safe area guide in the middle. As you can see, all of the information that we need people to see on our YouTube channel is in the middle part, in the green part, viewable on all devices right here. This is the safe area where all of the important information should be. And this is how it appears on all devices. So that's why I recommend that you choose a template on Canva where all of the important information is in the middle, just like this one, so that it appears on all devices. And once you're done, you simply, once you checked that everything is right according to the safe area template, link in the description, you can download. Then you simply click share and then click download on the top right. And then download again. And then it will simply download the template that we just designed on our computer. And once it will take a couple of seconds, download the new template that we just have ready. And then you go back to your channel. And under your channel customization, you simply click change under the YouTube banner image. And then you would select, of course, the newly created banner and import it. And import it under your YouTube channel right here. And then simply click done. And you will have a new banner on your YouTube channel. And it is that simple, it is that easy. Remember, I have the step-by-step guide that you can follow and the safe area template that you can download in the description below this video. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I hope you learned something new. Thank you for watching and staying with me to the end. Click right here to see more YouTube tips, and I will see you there in the next video. Bye bye.